Welcome back to the Next People Future channel. So on today's video, I want to show you guys a beginner guide on how to trade on MEXC, and it's going to be an interesting video. Please advise you to save this video to your watch list. And if you're not joining us on YouTube, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be able to notify you when we post new videos. So if you don't know about MEXC, MEXC is just an application like Binance or Bybit, but you can trade any futures. Okay, you can trade any coin in futures. And this particular tutorial, I'll show you how to get an account on MEXC and how to get funded on it and how to trade. Okay, it's going to be a simple video if you pay attention. Okay, so let's dive in, and don't forget to subscribe like I said, please. So these are what I'm going to be covering on this particular video. I'm going to be covering on how to create an account with MEXC and how to verify accounts and how to deposit and start trading on the MEXC futures. Okay, so the interesting part in this MEXC app is it does not require KYC for you to deposit or withdraw when trading futures on MEXC. Okay, but when it comes to P2P, which means transacting with other people, you have to verify your account. So I'm going to be taking you guide on this whole process, and so that you don't have to make any mistake on that. To your Play Store, you can search for MEXC. Okay, so the first app you're going to see there is actually the real app. So you click on install. So if you already install it, you can just update the app. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish updating before we can proceed. Okay, so now these are the major reasons why people use MEXC for their future trading. One is most release coin is going to automatically be listed on the future trade, which everyone loves to trade. And I'll show you the secret on how to trade on MEXC and make a lot of profit. So just follow this video from the beginning to the ending so I don't miss this opportunity. Okay, so once it's done installing, once the app is done installing, you can just click open, and it's going to be very straight to register. And note, if you are not using this for P2P trading, you can skip the KYC method. Okay, but if you are using it to trade futures, you can actually register with a KYC. Okay, so to register, you click on sign up. You can choose to register with your email, which is this, and you can choose to register by adding your email straight up or your Telegram. Okay, so I've already created an account with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be logging in with my account. Okay, I'll choose to log in with my email. So it's going to ask for authentication, which I added this because of more security reason. So you can go to your authenticator if you added that. So once you copy your authenticator, then you go back to your MEXC and paste. So now we are already on the account dashboard right here. So you can see I have no funding on this particular account. So now I want to explain some key features on this particular app before we hit to the next stage. Okay, the first stage is the market, which you see all the markets listed. You can trade on spots, you can trade on futures and prospects, favorites. You already know all about this, but the major focus you're going to be considering on this particular video is the futures. Okay, so once you click on the futures, you click on new, you're going to be seeing new coin they are about to release and the ones they just released. Okay, you can see new coins, how it's going. This particular coin is actually down. Okay, trade, you click to see your trades, the trade you are executed, futures, P2P, and rest of them. Okay, these are trade, you get the futures under trade or trade option. So you click on futures to see your future trade. Okay, when you scroll up, you can see any coin that you executed will be listed here on the position or open orders. You know about this. Okay, so once you click on your wallet, can be able to see all the wallets that you have funds on. Okay, so you can see I don't have any funds on this particular account. So what we're going to do next is to deposit on this app and trade on it. Okay, so we're going to click on deposit right here. So it's going to ask you the options which you want to use and deposit, either to use P2P, buy crypto on on-chain deposit. So I'll choose to use the first, which is on-chain deposit. So I'm going to click on USDT, which is the one I used recently. So you click on USDT, you click on TRC20, and make sure you cross-check before you copy the wallet and deposit. So you click on copy wallet right here. So you can go to anywhere you have crypto. You can go to anywhere you have crypto. So once you're here, you click on assets. Okay, let me sign in again. Once you have your deposit on your account, okay, I just deposited $27. Okay, so once you have your deposit, next option we are going to is to look for opportunity on the market. Okay, so you click on markets and you click on futures, click on new. So in this new, you're going to be seeing new coins that was listed earlier and the ones that is upcoming to be listed. So we're going to be looking for the one to trade with. Okay, so let's check on this Giza slash USDT. Okay, this one I think is drastically down. There's no opportunities on that. So let's go to this. This is gone. Okay, you can still trade or sell on this particular market. So you click on that, right, and click on close. Okay. So here we're going to be be using sell because the opportunity we are seeing on this market since yesterday is sell. So based on my analysis, I recommend you to do your own analysis. So you can actually trade sell short, go short on this. Okay. So you can actually go on short. Before we do that, we have to move our funds from the account it is now to our trading account. So what you're going to do is click on transfer right here. So once you click on transfer, so we'll be transferring all the assets from, okay, we'll be transferring all the assets from spot to futures. So done. So what we're going to do, click on trade, we'll go back to our market, go to futures, go to our new right here, futures. And click on new right here. So click on T, still USDT. So I'll be going short on this market. So make sure you don't risk all your capital to trade on this. So based on the analysis, you can risk about 3% of your capital so that you don't risk and lose everything. So I'm already on this market right now. So what will happen is once they introduce new coin, you're gonna be going for shorts because majorly most coins they list new we actually go up little for people to who owns the coin to and before you know it they will start selling and you make some profit. Okay, that is the main secret I want to share with you on this video. So if this video is actually worth it, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and join our Telegram group in order to get a signal from this trading. But we have that we are not selling and it's not free. We only have it for now. we'll be giving out signal from this trading bot on how to trade on MEXC. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a lovely day.